So we're here at CES 2012 with Grégoire Gentil. So you have a new project, right?
So yes, so I'm the founder of Always Innovating, and I'm French, but we are doing this in English, so I will do it in English. So we have a bunch of products that are based on OMAP, OMAP 3, OMAP 4, and recently we have designed this new product, which is very cool because this is a dongle, but this is an HDMI dongle. So basically you can plug this into the HDMI port of a TV and you have a full PC. So this is the PCB that you have inside, and basically you have the OMAP 4 that is on the dongle form factor. And as you can see here, we have a very standard TV on which I have plugged the dongle. So if you want to take a look on the side, you will see that we have the dongle that is plugged into the HDMI port, and I have also plugged the USB cable. The USB just to get more power. There is no connectivity, nothing going through the USB. It's only to get more power to the HDMI interface. And then we have a very small remote control, 9 button, very simple remote control, and I can control the Android interface on this dongle. So you see that you have Android running here, and we have also developed some specific application. We wanted to do something very similar to Google TV. So you see with a big icon, and you have a video on demand service. So you see that you have all those movies, and this is a link to the IMDb database. So let me go to the trailer section. And you have a bunch of information, and obviously you can play 1080p video. And here I will just run this WALL-E trailer, which is 1080p, and everything is decoded into the OMAP 4, the video stuff, and then it's going to the TV. So you see that you have very cool stuff and very simple. I just plug my dongle into the TV, and then with my remote control I can have the full Android experience. I can connect to Hulu, I can connect to Netflix, which are a US based video on demand service. So definitely you can do all of this. We have also a few other interesting things, especially in terms of games. So if you go to the game section, we have basically ported the Game Loft Asphalt 6 game, and you can play the Asphalt 6 on this game, and actually you will use the remote control to connect and to manage to drive the car that is playing on the dongle.
So you will have accelerometer in here?
Yes. So I can show you. Very simple PCB. You have an Atmel processor and you have an accelerometer, and then it's connected to the dongle. We have also a second version with Bluetooth, and with Bluetooth you can also speech to the remote control, and then you have Android that is doing the speech recognition. I mean, now you begin to see a lot of things like this. So this is definitely something that we are doing.
Nice. Do you think there will be Google TV software or Chrome browser, full Chrome browser?
Totally possible. Technically, we are already running Android, Google TV, Chromium. I could even show you Chromium if you want. Then you need to discuss with Google what you want to do, because in terms of business model, we are licensing this design. I mean, our business model is really to license those innovations to a top-tier player, and then they will decide what they want to do on top of this hardware. And we could also license to telco. I mean, just imagine Orange, I mean, in France, who wants to have a very small set-top box, because basically this is just a portable set-top box to possible to yes.
So did you imagine, like a year ago, a little bit more than a year ago, when you were doing the OMAP 3 laptop project, that your next project would be that small?
Actually, yes, and this is exactly what happened, is that we took the reference design of our netbook, the smart book, the touch book, and we just continue to miniaturize, and then we...
this is like 50 times smaller.
I mean, now the OMAP 4 is so powerful, so small. I mean, yes, definitely you can do this, and actually you can even use this PCB. You can use it, this full PCB, and actually you can use it in a tablet, because all the feature of a tablet is actually on this PCB.
All of it?
All of it.
Nothing is missing?
Nothing is missing. You have NFC, you have LVDS connection, and you just need the battery and the screen. plus this, and you have the full tablet that you can see from any of those top manufacturers.
Like really full. There's no
Nothing,
less RAM.
no,
less
no,
anything?
no, nothing. Everything is on it.
Everything is on
Full feature.
But you really thought a year ago that this was going to be possible or not? Or how long time has this been on the?
Yes, and actually, I even think that today it's too big. Yes, I really want to do smaller, and I think that the limit will be the size of the connector. But I mean, this is true. I mean, HDMI is too big, so we need to have better connector, smaller connector, because I mean, I will be able to do it half of this size. I mean, within a few months. So, and I'm so happy to see the OMAP 5, because I mean the OMAP 5 is so powerful. I mean, this is Cortex A15, but it's a little bit bigger than the OMAP 4.
What do you mean bigger?
Because the size, the package of the OMAP 5 is just a little bit bigger than the OMAP 4.
But there's still space.
Yes, it will still manage to do it on the dongle. So I need to speak with TI to convince them to have smaller packages.
All right. How about the price?
So the price, it will be pretty inexpensive. So once again, we don't sell ourselves this device. We license to a top manufacturer, and we really think that around $79 will be the price, retail price, because I mean the BOM, we are talking about $30. I mean in terms of component. Obviously, you have the OMAP 4, but I mean also, except this is basically the core component. So you can really see this at $79 at Best Buy, Fry's, or Darty in France.
So wait a second, you just said BOM $30,
Around 30.
ARM Cortex A9 computer.
Correct.
Is that what you said?
For the dongle in this simple, yes.
Because there's a project going on that's called
Raspberry.
Raspberry.
Yes,
and
yes.
that's bigger and it's slower and it's the same price.
But you know the price will decrease over time. I mean, when the OMAP 5 next year will arrive, the OMAP 4 will probably have a big decrease in terms of price. So I really see that actually this will replace the USB dongle. I mean, for me, this is really the replacement of the USB dongles that you can imagine in the very, very near future.
But now the USB dongle is replacing your PC.
Yes,
So
exactly.
where do you plug it in? Only the TV.
On the TV.
That's it.
Exactly.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
You have a keyboard also?
Yes, so this is Bluetooth.
Just
So
any Bluetooth keyboard.
any Bluetooth keyboard, so you can connect to the Bluetooth and control the interface. So I can launch this game, because I mean the game is really, really cool.
Or Bluetooth, what's it called? The remote controls, the Wii remote, everything will work.
Exactly. So we have also the remote that is working with the dongle. And also what I would like to say is that all of this is open source. So I mean, if you go to the open source website of Always Innovating, you can access all the source code, I mean everything that we are developing. So you see that the graphics are really amazing. And once again, this is a graphics that is run on the OMAP 4. This is on the PVR stuff from Imagination Tech. And let me run it. Let me start the game. And I will show you that I can control this with the remote control. Okay, we are almost done.
No, it's not going to work, I don't think.
Okay, it is.
Really?
Yes, take a look.
This is awesome. The remote control is not included in $30 BOM, is it?
To be discussed. I mean, the remote control is very inexpensive. I mean, the BOM of a remote control like this, it's probably $3. I mean, it depends which kind of quantity you are talking about. You see how I'm good. I'm good at this.
So, so this is replacing an Intel computer as well, or what?
Yes. I mean,
what is the
this
performance?
is more powerful than the remote, the PlayStation. I mean, definitely, you do better things. I'm very good. I'm kidding.
Yeah, shortcuts. Cool.
So you can. Anyway, so I think that you have understood the point. Yes, I mean this is more powerful than a PSP PlayStation thanks to the OMAP 4.
But how is it more powerful than a full Intel laptop or computer?
No, not yet. I mean, you need to wait the OMAP 5. With the OMAP 5, yes, I really think that now you will be able to compete against a full-feature laptop. But I mean, even the OMAP 4, it's pretty amazing.
It's better than netbook, no?
Oh yes, definitely.
sure.
I mean, this is actually the PCB of a netbook.
It is better performance than a netbook, guaranteed. Guaranteed.
Yes, I mean, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, yes. No, definitely, I'm convinced.
So what if there's a non-profit organization somewhere that says we want to subsidize it, or some kind of marketing trick, and it's going to be $29?
I'm very flexible. I'm a very pragmatic guy. I mean, I'm a founder of a startup. We are in the Silicon Valley. So, I mean, we just need to discuss with people. And if they are a very attractive project, I mean, I'm always happy to discuss. And obviously, I mean, this is a for-profit company, always innovating. I mean, we want to make some money, but we are always pragmatic. So definitely, you can always contact me. I mean, on the website. And
you have shareholders, IPO, what's it called?
we will see. No, we are a small entity. We prefer to stay very. I mean, we are talking about 10-15%. So this is a small entity, but very, very smart people. I mean, people that are participating to the open source project because we want to leverage the open source project. So pretty small, but I mean, we are very flexible. It's a little bit like the Navy SEALs. We are the special forces. I mean, we can go very, very fast with a new concept. This is really the way we want to continue to operate.
And would you support multi-booting, all kinds of stuff like you showed before?
Yes. We have this very nice concept of a multiple operating system at the same time on one CPU. And yes, we have this on the dongle. So it means that you can run Ubuntu, because now Ubuntu, they have Ubuntu TV, very interesting project for the TV. You can run Android, you can run Chromium, all at the same time on the dongle, as I was mentioning with the AI multiple OS.
And Windows 8 $30 computer.
Yes. I mean, especially with the latest of OMAP 4, you have now DirectX support, and I really see that Windows 8 might be very, very interested. I mean, this year what they are doing. So yes, I intend to have also Windows 8 on this dongle. So you can choose between Google TV or Windows 8. I mean, you can have almost the best of the both worlds running on the HDMI dongle.
And even MySpace TV. Have you heard about that? That's funny. It's just
any social stuff, we are okay to do it.
Cool. So it's a fun job, no? What you're doing every day?
We try to innovate. Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, it's hard because I mean, startup, a lot of pressure. I mean, you have to be on the deck all the time. But yes. No, definitely, it's very, very fun.
How about your previous project? Can you say anything about status?
So actually, this is my fifth startup. So I'm really a serial entrepreneur. I sold one of my previous startups to Cisco. It was about virtualization, security software, I mean, a few years back. And now I'm fully on this story because I think this is very, very fun to do hardware, not only software, but also to have the full experience of hardware and software.